We're down here in Acushnet, Massachusetts. That's southeastern Massachusetts. And this mare, look at this mare. She is beautiful. She's got a star. She's a bay. She's not wearing shoes. She is sound as a dollar. Here's the thing, all right? The thing is, she can be led, but she has not been trained to be ridden. She's sound. She's about 14 years old. She's about 15 hands tall. And she just needs to be schooled. That's all. She's done nothing. She's been a pasture pet, a friend. And because of all of your donations, we were able to pay her bail. So, we've got to get the right home. We've got to get her to a trainer. And she's all paid for. She just needs, here's her freeze brand right there. And she's not an Arab. She's a Mustang. That's what she is, a Mustang. Yep. And see if you can get her to go a little bit more. We're going to watch her move. We're going to get her going. Go, move, honey. There you go. There you go. Oh, that's nice. Go ahead. Go. Nice. We get some nice movement there. A little bit more. Go ahead, honey. Trot. Look at that. That is one sound mare. If you like mares, boy, she is a cutie. I know who I'm going to call and let her know about this beautiful mare that needs to be trained. I sure do. Alrighty. And if you are interested in this mare, the phone number to call is 508-763-5158. 508-763-5158. And you can talk and make a plan to see this horse and bring your trailer.